kits that we have here available at Nueces County Public Libraries. We have created sensory spoon story kits. So these are kits that have a book, have wooden spoons, as you see here, and a laminated sheet. Each sensory spoon story kit offers available for anyone that wants to check these out. So some of these are available for their books ages 8 and younger, but these sensory storytime kits are good for imagination, role play, storytelling, and so much more. So, for instance, this book is Pete the Cat, 3-Bite Rule, and it has 3 characters in this book. So we have Pete the Cat, Pete's mom, and Grumpy Toad. So in the story of the book, your parent or guardian can read the story, and the child can do different role play on them. They can also build blocks. You can do interviews with them as well. This will help the child do more storytelling and more imagination and creativity. We want you to check these out. So you'll look this up on our catalog. Say, type in sensory spoon story kits or sensory spoon story. So you'll find these on our catalog, and they're available at Keach and Bishop branch. And they are available for curbside Monday through Thursday for each of those branches. And we'd like to thank our Texas State Libraries Archives Commission and the Institute's Library Services for providing this with the grant. So we'll hope you check these out and get into role playing and get these new spoons and get into imagination with books. And we hope that you'll have these books to enjoy the love of reading. Bye, everyone.